Hi, I'm Brian Moody, the owner of Nashville Collision here in Nashville, Tennessee. I have been in auto body for about 8 years. I've owned this shop for about 1 year and 3 months now. I was at another shop. Alan was a technician working for me. When I opened this up, Alan from Lombard Equipment came by the shop. I ended up purchasing the equipment, and now I'm going to let one of my technicians talk about the equipment.
I'm Ryan Lacey. I've been a collision technician for 30 years, and we got this shop opened up about 1.5 years ago, Brian Moody, and we were discussing what equipment to bring in here, and the ideas were to use the GYS, and he's like, I've got somebody with Lombard equipment, and his name is Alan. I've worked with him before, so Alan came in, and his personality, the amount of knowledge this man has, you know, for the equipment he was selling was very impressive. He brought in, demonstrated the equipment, and we knew what we were going with. And ever since then, he's been very Johnny on the spot, getting us whatever equipment, pieces, replacements, anything we can imagine, assistance with anything dealing with shop equipment here. And you know, it's been very, very nice having somebody like that on our side. Brian and I feel like here at Nashville Collision, we will continue to use Lombard equipment and Alan to supply us with whatever we need when it comes to equipment.